Welcome to my channel. I'm Travis Page, and I've been helping people navigate the exciting journey of homeownership for over 2 decades. If you're new here, I'm so glad you found us. Buying a home can feel overwhelming, but I'm here to break it down for you in manageable steps. By the end of this video, you'll be well equipped to tackle the home buying process with confidence. Let's jump right into our first step, getting your finances in order. Before you've even hit the streets looking for a house, you need to take a close look at your financial situation. Understanding your credit score is crucial as it directly impacts your ability to get a mortgage and interest rates you'll receive. Lenders generally prefer score 620 or higher, but if your score is lower, there are still options available for you. Next, you should create a budget. It's vital to determine how much you can afford for a monthly mortgage payment. When doing this, don't forget about additional costs like property taxes, homeowners insurance, and maintenance expenses. Additionally, start saving for the down payment and closing costs. Many first-time homebuyers think they need to come up with 20% for a down payment, but there are programs that allow you to pay as little as 3%. Remember, a larger down payment can lower your monthly payments and eliminate private mortgage insurance, which is something to consider. Now that your finances are in check, it's time to get pre-approved. For a mortgage, this step is crucial for a few reasons. First, it shows sellers that you are serious and financially capable of purchasing a home. Second, it helps you to define your budget by giving you a clear idea of how much you can spend. To get pre-approved, you'll need to gather some documents like pay stubs, tax returns, and bank statements. A helpful tip is to shop around and compare offers from different lenders to ensure you're getting the best possible interest rates and long terms. The next step is finding the right real estate agent. Working with a knowledgeable agent can make a world of difference in your home buying process. A great agent will take the time to understand your needs and help you find the perfect home. They will guide you through every stage of the process, from viewing properties to negotiating offers. Plus, they can connect you with resources like inspectors, the local lenders, making the entire process smoother. Now that you've officially become a homeowner, it's time to move in and truly make the space your own. This is a major milestone worth celebrating, and I couldn't be happier for you. Remember, buying a home is one of the biggest decisions you'll ever make in your lifetime. But with informed choices, the right support, it can be an incredibly rewarding experience. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more real estate tips. Also, please feel free to share this video with anyone you know who is considering buying a home. If you have any questions or are ready to take the next step, leave a comment below or contact me directly. I'm here to help you turn your homeownership dreams into reality. Thanks for tuning in, and I look forward to seeing you next time.